Welcome to Learnglish. Today we will be dealing with two prepositions of time, since and for. What is the difference? Since is used to refer to a specific point in time when an action or situation began and continues to the present. It is often used with perfect tenses. We always use a specific time and date after since. I have lived here since 2022. For is used to specify a period of time. It shows how long something has been happening. It can be used with various tenses. We always use duration of time after for. He played the guitar for 2 hours. Now let's try. Please like this video if you found it helpful and share it with friends. 1. I have lived in this city 5 years. It shows a duration of time, so we use for. 2. We have had our dog. He was a puppy. He was a puppy shows a specific time, and we use since. 3. They have been on vacation last Friday. Last Friday shows a date, so we say since. 4. We have known them 10 years. 10 years shows the duration of time, and we say for. 5. I have been waiting for you noon. Noon shows a specific time, and we use since. 6. I have been doing yoga 6 months. 6 months shows the duration of time, and we say for. Please subscribe for more content and let me know what topic should I cover next.